The project aims to design, develop and implement a novel multi-output DC to DC converter tailored for electric vehicle applications. The converter will efficiently regulate and manage power flow between the main high-voltage battery and various subsystems within the EV, such as auxiliary systems, low-voltage accessories, and on-board charging. In this project, implementation of solar photovoltaic array-powered grid-connected residential electric vehicle charger is presented, which caters the need of an EV, household loads and the grid. The charger is enabled to operate autonomously using a PV array for providing an uninterruptible charging and power to household loads. This project aims to develop a comprehensive control and management system for a railway system that is connected to microgrid stations. The objective is to optimize the power supply, operation, and energy management of the railway system by utilizing microgrid stations, ensuring reliable and efficient train operations. This project focuses on developing an energy management system (EMS) for a small-scale hybrid wind solar battery-based microgrid. The EMS will optimize the utilization of renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar, along with battery storage, to ensure efficient and reliable power supply for the microgrid. The project aims to develop a fuzzy logic control system for a solar photovoltaic-fed modular multilevel inverter specifically designed for marine water pumping applications. The system will utilize solar energy to power a water pump in marine environments, providing an efficient and sustainable solution for water pumping needs. The project Hybrid Wind PV Battery Energy Management Based Intelligent Non-Integer Control for Smart DC Microgrid of Smart University aims to develop an advanced energy management system for a smart DC microgrid within a smart university environment. The project focuses on integrating multiple renewable energy sources, including wind turbines, solar panels, and battery storage, to optimize energy generation, storage, and consumption. This project aims to enhance power quality in electrical systems by implementing a photovoltaic-based shunt active harmonic filter. The proposed solution utilizes PV technology to mitigate harmonic distortions and improve the overall power quality of the system. The PV Integrated Multifunctional Off-Board EV Charger with improved grid power quality is a project aimed at developing an advanced charging solution for electric vehicles that incorporates solar PV integration and focuses on enhancing the quality of power supply to the grid. The project aims to develop a solar power generation system that incorporates a power smoothing function. Solar power systems are known for their intermittent nature due to changes in sunlight intensity and weather conditions. The power smoothing function addresses these fluctuations and ensures a stable and consistent power output, enhancing the reliability and efficiency of solar energy generation. This project focuses on the development of a standalone photovoltaic battery system using a two-stage converter topology and voltage source converter control. The system aims to efficiently integrate PV generation and battery storage to provide a reliable and sustainable power supply for standalone applications. These systems combine solar PV panels and battery storage to meet the electrical demands of the load.